Hi, let's begin with the introduction. Here is the first chord, and you will have the C minor composed of the C, the D sharp, and the G, and the bass note of C. Then, the D sharp major composed of the D sharp, the G, and the A sharp, and the bass note of D sharp. Then, the A sharp major composed of the D, the F, and the A sharp, and the bass note of A sharp. And eventually, the G sharp major composed of the C, the D sharp, and the G sharp, and the bass note of G sharp. And for now, I suggest you play like this. Always been loud. And you will begin the first verse. Here's the new chord, and you will have one additional chord, the G major composed of the B, the D, and the G, and the bass note of G. And this time you will play these chords like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So on 1, bass and chord. On 2, you play nothing. On 3, you play the chord alone. And on 4, you play the bass alone. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you want to, for the A sharp, the G sharp, and even the G major, you can play the bass here. So A sharp major, G sharp major, G major. Always been loud, in a quiet way. I always feel alone, in a crowded place. I always wanna stay, wanna go, wanna stay, wanna go. I don't know, I get sad. And you replay this chord on the word sad, and this time the last chord will be played 3 times. I get sad on my birthday. I wanna talk back in the worst way. I always wanna stay, wanna go, wanna stay, wanna go. I don't know what to say, I wanna throw it all away. And you reach the chorus, and you will need a new chart for that section. I feel like a zombie, I'll die at the party. Yeah, you'll find my body fully covered in confetti. I try calling somebody to tell them to get me, but you'll find my body fully covered in confetti, singing la da 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 da. And you reach the musical section, which you will play with this chart. Singing la da 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 da. Ooh, la da 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 da. So you will play this chart once for the musical section, and you will be able to move on to the second verse that you will play just like the first one. At least you could continue pressing these chords, but if you wanted to, you could play them using arpeggios. And this time, I suggest you play like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you do this on every chord. Find me the 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Find me in the club, looking golden. I know everyone. I got no friends, I always wanna stay, wanna go, wanna stay, wanna go. I don't know. But you could also play these chords twice as slow, so instead of doing 1, 2, 3, 4, you could do 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you continue 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Find me in the club, looking golden. I know everyone. I got no friends, I always wanna stay, wanna go, wanna stay, wanna go. I don't know. So you see, it works pretty well. So you will replay this chart one more time without forgetting that last chord, which will be played 3 times. Then you reach the second chorus that you could also play using arpeggios. Here's the corresponding chart. I feel like a zombie, I'll die at the party. Yeah, you'll find my body fully covered in confetti. I try calling somebody to tell them to get me, but you'll find my body fully covered in confetti. I feel like a zombie. And you will replay this chart 2 more times the same way, playing the last A sharp major on the first round and the second round. You will then be able to take the introduction chart and finish this song with the C minor chord. I wish you good luck and I will see you in the next one.